Lesson 9. Asking. Answering. What's this?
It's a pen.
What am I doing?
You're asking him a question.
What's this?
It's a hand.
Am I asking her a question?
Yes, you're asking her a question.
What's this?
It's a head.
What's he doing?
He's answering your question.
What's this?
It's a mouth.
Is she answering my question?
Yes, she's answering your question.
Ask him a question, please. To have. I have. I. You have. You. He has. He's. She has. She's. It has. It's. We have. We've. You have. You. They have. They. What's the meaning of the verb to have?
The meaning of the verb to have is...
What's the contraction of I have, you have, etc.?
I've, you've, etc.
Got. Generally. Have I got 2 eyes?
Yes, you've got 2 eyes.
Have you got 2 ears?
Yes, I've got 2 ears.
Has he got 2 legs?
Yes, he's got 2 legs.
Has she got 2 hands?
Yes, she's got 2 hands.
Have we got 2 heads?
Yes, we've got 2 heads.
Have they got 4 arms?
Yes, they've got 4 arms.
Any. Non-specific. Yes, some. No, not any. How many? Specific. 7, 13, etc. None. Specific. Non-specific. Negative. Positive. For example. Important. When. What is the meaning of the words any and some?
The meaning of the words any and some is...
What's the difference between any and some?
The difference between any and some is that we use any in questions and negative sentences, whereas we use some in positive sentences.
Any. Are there any books on this table?
Yes, there are some books on this table.
Are there any pictures on these walls?
Yes, there are some pictures on these walls.
Have you got any shoes on your feet?
Yes, I've got some shoes on my feet.
Not any. Are there any books on the floor?
No, there aren't any books on the floor.
Are there any pictures on that chair?
No, there aren't any pictures on that chair.
Are there any chairs on the table?
No, there aren't any chairs on the table.
None. Class. Classroom. How many books are there on the table?
There are 2 books on the table.
How many books are there on the floor?
There are none.
How many pictures are there on these walls?
There are 3 pictures on these walls.
How many pictures are there on that chair?
There are none.
How many students are there in this classroom?
There are 12 students in this classroom.
How many students are there sitting on the floor?
There are none.